So hey folks, welcome to Automotive. So I'm Somesh and this is my colleague Arriyan.
Thanks so much, Varun. That was a nice pass, I guess. My name is Arriyan, as my colleague here, Somesh over said, and I am the co-founder of this thing, while my friend Somesh is a co-founder. Pleased to meet you all.
So I Somesh will take care of the auto news, reviews and previews and my friend Arriyan.
That is me. I'm gonna take care about car parts. I mean, not I don't know, door handles. I mean, turbos and superchargers. And now again to my friend Someshwaran.
So our videos will be informative and we will be having fun together. So make sure to subscribe and press the bell notification icon. Make sure to follow us on Instagram. Links in the description below.
We hope you will subscribe. Goodbye, and we will see you on tomorrow's video. I hope. Good day.
So tomorrow's car is all about a YouTuber's car and he wrapped it in purple and white wheels. So there is your sneak peek. So until then tomorrow, peace out. Bye.